The universe is not only stranger than we imagine, it is stranger than we can imagine. Edwin Hubble. The universe as a cell, a hypothesis of a living cosmos. Consider the vast expanse of the universe, not as an inanimate void of scattered matter, but as a single colossal living system. A cosmic organism, where galaxies act as its cells, dark matter its unseen structure, and energy its lifeblood. It is a hypothesis that challenges the boundaries of imagination, inviting us to rethink our place in the cosmos. If we peer into the smallest building blocks of life, the cell, we find intricate machinery, complex networks working in harmony to sustain life. Now, magnify that concept outward. Imagine each galaxy swirling like organelles within an unfathomably large cosmic cell. The filaments of dark matter resemble the cytoskeleton, holding the structure together, while the exchange of light and particles mimics the flow of nutrients and signals within a living being. Even the behavior of the universe seems eerily familiar to biological systems. The expansion of the cosmos mirrors growth. Its cycles of star birth and death evoke the processes of renewal and decay, essential for sustaining balance. The enigmatic phenomenon of entropy, guiding the universe toward disorder, could be the heartbeat of a system adapting and evolving on scales we can scarcely comprehend. Could the universe be self-aware? This question ventures into the realm of speculative thought, but consider this: on Earth, humans are a product of the universe. Our thoughts and consciousness emerged from the same star stuff that forms the galaxies. If intelligence arose here, might it not exist elsewhere, or even permeate the universe itself, manifesting in forms we cannot yet recognize? As we study the cosmos, we uncover striking parallels between the microcosm and the macrocosm. The patterns of neural networks echo the arrangement of galaxies. The energy coursing through our bodies resonates with the forces that drive the stars. It is as if the universe is whispering its secrets, urging us to see beyond the boundaries of scale and time. Such a vision compels us to wonder, if the universe is alive, what role do we play within it? Could our thoughts and actions, our science and art, be the reflections of a larger cosmic awareness? Are we mere particles in a greater whole, or are we the universe gazing back at itself, seeking to understand its own nature? If the universe is alive, its heartbeat might pulse over eons, its breath could span billions of years, and its thoughts might take the form of the laws of physics, subtle yet profound expressions of its existence. We might be the neurons of this vast cosmic brain, transmitting signals in the form of discovery, exploration, and wonder. Life, as we understand it, thrives on balance, a delicate dance of chaos and order. The universe mirrors this balance. Supernovae scatter elements that forge planets and perhaps life itself, while black holes pull the remnants of stars into their mysterious depths. This dynamic interplay may be the cosmos' way of sustaining its intricate, living structure. Even our pursuit of knowledge mirrors a biological instinct, an innate drive to seek connection and understanding. We reach out with telescopes and equations as if extending tendrils into the unknown, probing the very fabric of existence. Perhaps our curiosity is not separate from the universe's nature, but an extension of its will, a fragment of its larger quest to comprehend itself. What if we are not just observers of the universe, but participants in its evolution? Every question we ask, every star we study, every boundary we push could be part of a cosmic feedback loop. Our discoveries reshape the way we interact with the cosmos, and in doing so, we alter the universe's awareness of itself. It is a humbling thought to imagine that the universe may be alive, not just through us, but through an interconnected web of processes, both visible and hidden. From the smallest quantum particle to the largest galactic cluster, it all could be part of a unified whole, evolving across incomprehensible dimensions. In this view, the universe is not a lifeless expanse but an intricate, self-organizing masterpiece. To see it this way is to embrace a deeper sense of belonging, a realization that we are woven into the fabric of a living cosmos. It reminds us that our journey of exploration is, in essence, the universe's journey, as it awakens to its own profound mystery. If the universe is indeed alive, its scale and complexity redefine what it means to exist. Life as we know it, confined to planetary ecosystems, might be but a single thread in a vast cosmic tapestry. Stars, galaxies, and even the voids between them could serve roles beyond our comprehension, working in concert as parts of a larger living entity. The intricate patterns of the universe suggest a profound interconnectedness. Quantum entanglement hints at particles separated by light years still influencing one another, as if maintaining communication across the vast distances of space. Could this be the whisper of a universal mind, its thoughts rippling through the fabric of reality? Our Earth, nestled in a spiral arm of the Milky Way, might be a microscopic node within this living system, connected to the larger whole. The forces that drive evolution on our planet, variation, selection, and adaptation, might echo processes shaping the entire cosmos. Galaxies collide and merge, black holes devour stars, and nebulae give birth to new suns. These grand events may be more than physical phenomena. They could be the mechanisms of a living universe, adapting and evolving on a cosmic scale. Even time itself might be an element of this living system, stretching and flowing in ways we are only beginning to grasp. The universe's timeline, from the Big Bang to its eventual fate, could be its own life cycle: birth, growth, transformation, and perhaps renewal. What we see as the cold mechanics of astrophysics might, from another perspective, be the organic processes of a living cosmos. If we accept this vision, it changes the way we see ourselves. We are no longer separate from the universe, but integral to its story. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, these are not isolated acts but contributions to the symphony of a living cosmos. Our role may not be to dominate the natural world but to harmonize with it, to act as conscious participants in the unfolding narrative of existence. This perspective invites not only wonder but responsibility. If the universe is alive, it asks us to care for our small corner of it. To nurture life, preserve beauty, and seek knowledge is to honor the larger system of which we are a part. Through our actions, we reflect the universe's creative force, shaping its future as much as it has shaped us. In contemplating the universe as a living system, we step beyond the confines of human perspective. We enter a realm where science, philosophy, and wonder converge, urging us to embrace the profound interconnectedness of all things. For in the grand living cosmos, we are both its creation and its consciousness, a fragment of infinity striving to understand itself. As we peer deeper into this vision, we begin to recognize patterns in the seemingly chaotic universe, patterns that echo the rhythms of life itself. From the pulsating beats of neutron stars to the swirling dance of galaxies and clusters, the universe reveals a harmony that resonates across scales. It is as though the cosmos sings a symphony, each note carried by the light of stars and the ripples of gravitational waves. This grand composition unfolds not just across space, but through time. The universe evolves, its structures transforming in an ongoing cycle of creation and destruction. Just as cells in our bodies regenerate and adapt to sustain life, so too does the cosmos seem to renew itself. Stars are born from clouds of dust and gas, live brilliant lives, and die in explosions that scatter the elements necessary for life. Could this cycle be the heartbeat of a living system, breathing life into its vast expanse? And yet, in this immensity, there is a profound intimacy. The elements forged in the hearts of stars flow through our veins. The energy that powers the universe courses through us, as we draw breath, think, and dream. We are not mere inhabitants of the cosmos. We are participants in its story, shaped by its forces and contributing to its evolution. This interconnectedness challenges us to rethink the nature of intelligence. If we see the universe as alive, could its consciousness be distributed, its intelligence emergent? Perhaps the galaxies are not separate entities but nodes in a vast neural network, exchanging information across the cosmic web. What we perceive as randomness may be the subtle workings of a system far beyond our current understanding. In this view, humanity's quest for knowledge takes on a profound significance. Every equation solved, every telescope aimed at the stars, every question asked brings us closer to understanding not only the universe but ourselves. For if the universe is alive, then we are its eyes, its ears, its mind, a way for it to reflect upon its own existence. To embrace this possibility is to step into a new paradigm, one where the boundaries between life and matter blur. In the grand scale of the cosmos, we see the same principles that govern the smallest forms of life. Self-organization, adaptation, interconnectedness, these are not confined to Earth but resonate throughout the universe. They suggest a unity, a coherence, a living system in which we are intricately entwined. In this vision, every star is a beacon, every galaxy a mystery, every moment a chance to explore the depths of a living cosmos. It is a vision that calls us to wonder, to seek, and to cherish the extraordinary gift of being part of something so vast, so beautiful, and so profoundly alive. This idea, that the universe may be a living, evolving system, opens the door to questions that transcend science and philosophy. What does it mean to be alive on this scale? Is life defined solely by the biochemical processes we observe on Earth, or could it encompass something far greater, something woven into the very structure of the cosmos? The notion of the universe as a living entity invites us to reconsider our understanding of consciousness itself. On Earth, consciousness emerges from the intricate interplay of neurons and signals within our brains. Could a similar phenomenon emerge across the vast networks of the cosmos? The filaments of galaxies form structures reminiscent of neural pathways, connecting clusters of matter across unimaginable distances. Is it possible that the universe is not just a physical entity but a conscious one, expressing itself through the dance of stars, the birth of worlds, and the emergence of life? If so, then life, our life, is not an accident but an expression of the universe's inherent creativity. Through us, the cosmos may be exploring itself, asking questions, and striving to understand its own origins. Our art, our science, our wonder, they may be the thoughts of a vast, living system seeking to know itself. This perspective also challenges us to look inward. If we are, as Carl Sagan famously said, star stuff, then we are not separate from the universe but an integral part of its story. Every molecule in our bodies was forged in the heart of a star. Every thought we have is powered by energy that has traveled through the cosmos. We are, quite literally, the universe made conscious. Such an idea carries profound implications for how we treat the world around us. If the universe is alive, then everything within it, every star, every planet, every living being, is part of a vast, interconnected whole. Our actions ripple outward, affecting not only the Earth but the fabric of the cosmos itself. To harm one part of this living system is to harm the whole. And yet, this realization is not a burden but a call to action. It is a reminder that our existence is meaningful, that our choices matter. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, we are both creators and caretakers, shaping the future with every decision we make. The universe, if alive, invites us to see ourselves not as masters of a lifeless expanse, but as stewards of a vibrant, evolving system. It asks us to marvel at its beauty, to seek its truths, and to cherish the precious gift of existence. For in the end, to explore the universe is to explore ourselves, to find our place within the great living mystery of all that is. To imagine the universe as alive is to embrace an awe-inspiring perspective, one that challenges us to see the connections between the smallest and largest scales of existence. It suggests that we are more than spectators in the cosmic theater. We are part of its unfolding drama, participants in a grand and ancient story. If we look closer at the principles guiding the universe, they seem to mirror the essence of life itself, an unyielding drive toward complexity and adaptation. Stars are born, shine brilliantly, and die, scattering the elements that form planets, oceans, and eventually living beings. Black holes, often seen as destructive forces, may be engines of transformation, reshaping the fabric of space-time and driving the evolution of galaxies. Everywhere we look, the universe is in motion, creating, destroying, and recreating, a cycle that echoes the processes of life on Earth. Could this dynamic interplay be evidence of a larger intention or direction? Perhaps not in the way we think of human intention, but as a natural tendency of the cosmos towards self-organization and growth. Life on Earth arose not because of randomness alone, but because the universe seems to favor conditions that foster complexity. This tendency might be its own form of life force, guiding the emergence of stars, planets, and the consciousness that gazes at them in wonder. This raises another tantalizing possibility, that life, as we know it, is not an isolated phenomenon. If the universe is alive, it may be teeming with expressions of its vitality, scattered across the vastness of space. Other planets, other galaxies, might harbor their own forms of life, each a unique reflection of the cosmos's creativity. In seeking out these distant neighbors, we are not merely searching for life, we are seeking deeper connections to the living universe itself. And yet, even as we imagine life on these distant shores, we are reminded of the profound rarity of our own world. Earth, a blue oasis in the vast desert of space, is a masterpiece of cosmic artistry. Its mountains, oceans, and forests are not separate from the stars, but are shaped by the same forces that govern the galaxies. To protect this world, to nurture its life, is to honor the larger system of which we are a part. In the end, the hypothesis of a living universe is not just a scientific or philosophical idea, it is an invitation to wonder. It asks us to see the cosmos not as a cold and indifferent expanse, but as a vibrant, evolving reality in which we are deeply embedded. It reminds us that we are both small and vast, fleeting and eternal, insignificant and profoundly meaningful. For if the universe is alive, then our existence is not a mere accident. It is a testament to the beauty, complexity, and interconnectedness of all things, a reminder that we, too, are the cosmos, alive and aware, reaching out to understand the infinite. This realization, that we are the universe becoming conscious of itself, is both humbling and empowering. It reframes our role from passive observers to active participants in the unfolding narrative of existence. Every thought we have, every step we take, contributes to the universe's ongoing journey of discovery and self-awareness. Imagine the universe as a vast, interconnected web, with each star, planet, and living being as a node within it. The light from distant galaxies, traveling billions of years to reach our eyes, carries with it stories of the past, echoes of the cosmos's early days. In studying these ancient messages, we are not merely gathering data, we are participating in a profound dialogue with the universe, a conversation that transcends time and space. And as we look outward, the universe reflects itself inward. The neural pathways of our minds mirror the cosmic filaments of galaxies, their intricate structures resonating across scales. Just as we marvel at the infinite stars above, the universe marvels at the intricate dance of neurons within us. This symmetry, this fractal beauty, speaks to a deep unity, a recognition that the microcosm and macrocosm are one and the same. If the universe is alive, then time itself might be its heartbeat, and space its body. What we perceive as the passage of time could be the rhythm of cosmic processes, the pulse of creation and transformation. Every moment we experience is a part of this rhythm, a note in the symphony of existence. The past, present, and future are not separate but interconnected, threads in the fabric of a living, evolving cosmos. This perspective invites us to approach existence with reverence. To gaze at the night sky is not just to see distant stars, but to witness the living essence of the universe unfolding before us. Each photon of starlight is a message, a reminder of our connection to something infinitely greater. And yet, it is not a connection of separation but of belonging, a profound realization that we are not merely in the universe, we are the universe. Such a view calls us to act with wisdom and care. If the cosmos is a living system, then every choice we make, every act of creation or destruction, contributes to its vitality. To explore, to protect, to cherish, these are not just human aspirations but cosmic imperatives, reflections of the universe's own drive to evolve and endure. And so, we find ourselves at the edge of a profound mystery. The universe, vast and boundless, beckons us to continue our search, to push the boundaries of understanding, and to embrace the unknown. For in doing so, we honor the living cosmos and our place within it, a fleeting yet eternal spark in the infinite dance of existence. To think of ourselves as a spark in the infinite dance of existence is to embrace the profound unity between the smallest moment and the grandest scale. It invites us to see that every breath we take, every thought we have, every dream we pursue is an extension of the universe itself, a ripple in its living cosmic ocean. The universe, if alive, is not static. It evolves, breathes, and transforms over eons. From the moment of the Big Bang, when time and space first unfurled, to the present day, its story has been one of growth and complexity. Stars have ignited, galaxies have collided, and life has emerged, all as part of this cosmic evolution. Perhaps on the grandest scale, the universe's purpose is to explore itself, to create, to learn, and to grow through the countless forms it takes. We, as beings of this universe, share in its drive to create and to know. Our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our longing to understand the cosmos are not anomalies. They are the natural expressions of a living system striving to know itself. Our telescopes, our equations, and even our poetry are tools through which the universe contemplates its own existence. They are extensions of the same forces that drive stars to shine and galaxies to spiral. This interconnectedness binds us not only to the cosmos but to each other. If we are all part of a living universe, then every life, every consciousness, is a vital thread in its vast tapestry. To harm another being is to unravel the very fabric of this great system. To nurture, to protect, and to learn from one another is to strengthen it. In this way, our ethics and our science, our art and our dreams, are not separate from the cosmos, they are its living expression. Even as we stand in awe of the universe's immensity, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains it. The same forces that hold galaxies together can also tear them apart. The same energy that creates life can extinguish it. This balance is not a flaw but a feature, a reminder of the dynamic interplay between chaos and order, creation and destruction, that defines existence. To live in harmony with this balance is to align ourselves with the universe's deeper rhythms. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are not merely expanding our knowledge, we are participating in the universe's story. Every question we ask, every discovery we make, adds to the unfolding narrative. We are, in a sense, the storytellers of the cosmos, giving voice to its mysteries and celebrating its wonders. And though we may never fully understand the universe's depths, that is not a failure but a gift. For the unknown is what drives us forward, urging us to reach, to explore and to dream. In the boundless mystery of the cosmos, we find infinite inspiration, a living reminder that, in our quest to understand the universe, we are also discovering the endless potential within ourselves. This endless potential within us reflects the boundless creativity of the cosmos itself. Just as stars forge new elements in their fiery cores, we too forge ideas, connections, and possibilities in the crucible of human thought. This act of creation, whether through art, science, or the simple acts of daily life, is a reflection of the universe's intrinsic nature, a constant striving toward complexity, beauty, and understanding. To see the universe as a living system is to see ourselves as threads in its intricate web. Each of us carries within us the history of the cosmos, the echoes of the Big Bang, the stardust from long-dead stars, the ancient rhythms of a system that has been evolving for billions of years. We are its memory and its future, bound to it not just by matter but by purpose. Our exploration, our imagination, and our dreams are the ways we give voice to the universe's unfolding story. And in this story, nothing is isolated. The energy of a distant star that warms a planet light years away, the gravitational pull that binds galaxies together, the quantum particles that blink in and out of existence, all are part of a seamless, interconnected whole. This unity reminds us that our actions, no matter how small, ripple through the fabric of existence, shaping the cosmos in ways we may not yet understand. As we gaze into the night sky, we are reminded that we are not separate from the stars but born of them. This realization invites us to approach the cosmos with a sense of kinship, to see its beauty not as something distant and other, but as an extension of ourselves. To care for our world, to seek harmony with the natural systems that sustain us, is not merely a moral imperative, it is a cosmic one. It is an acknowledgement that we are stewards of a living universe, entrusted with the responsibility to protect and nurture its wonders. Even the challenges we face, our struggles, our conflicts, our uncertainties, are part of this greater story. They are the growing pains of a species awakening to its place in the cosmos, striving to align its actions with the rhythms of a living system. Every step we take toward understanding, every effort to live sustainably and harmoniously, is a step toward fulfilling our role within the vast, evolving whole. And so, as we continue our journey, exploring the depths of space, unraveling the mysteries of life, and reaching for the edges of what is possible, we are reminded of the profound truth that underlies it all. The universe is not something apart from us. It is within us, around us, and beyond us, a living, breathing entity of which we are an inseparable part. Its story is our story, its heartbeat our heartbeat, its boundless potential mirrored in the infinite horizons of human curiosity. In this living cosmos, we find not just a home but a profound calling, to learn, to create, to wonder, and to honor the extraordinary gift of being a part of it all. This calling to honor our place in the cosmos is not just an abstract ideal, it is a living practice, an invitation to align our actions with the greater symphony of existence. In every decision, from the way we care for our planet to the way we connect with one another, we are participants in the unfolding narrative of a living universe. We are both its witnesses and its co-creators. The universe, vast as it is, whispers its secrets to us through patterns and rhythms. The spiral of a galaxy mirrors the shape of a nautilus shell, the branching of rivers echoes the pathways of lightning and veins. These recurring forms are not mere coincidences, they are evidence of a deeper unity, a shared language that speaks across scales. By listening to this language, we glimpse the principles that sustain the cosmos, the same principles that sustain life on Earth. This interconnectedness calls us to a profound sense of wonder and humility. Though we may feel small against the backdrop of the stars, we are not insignificant. Our ability to question, to dream, and to seek meaning is itself a testament to the creativity of the universe. We are not outsiders looking in. We are the universe contemplating itself, finding expression in the thoughts and actions of conscious beings. As we journey forward, exploring the furthest reaches of space and the deepest mysteries of existence, we are also embarking on an inward journey. The search for meaning among the stars reflects our own search for understanding within ourselves. In every discovery, we find reflections of our own nature, as if the universe is holding up a mirror, showing us the beauty and complexity we share. Yet, this vision is also a reminder of our responsibility. The fragile ecosystems of Earth, the relationships we build, and the wisdom we pass on are not isolated from the cosmos. They are part of its living fabric. To care for our world and one another is to honor the vast system of which we are a part. It is to recognize that our choices reverberate far beyond the boundaries of our understanding, shaping the universe in ways we may never fully see. The universe invites us to see ourselves not as separate from it, but as integral threads in its grand tapestry. Each of us carries within us the potential to contribute to this greater whole, to shape the future with our creativity, compassion, and curiosity. We are fleeting yet eternal, individual yet interconnected, finite yet part of something boundless. In this dance of existence, there is no end, only transformation. The stars we see tonight will one day fade, but their light will have touched countless lives. The actions we take now, no matter how small, will ripple into the future, becoming part of the endless flow of the cosmos. And so, as we look to the stars, we are reminded of our place within this living, evolving system, a place of wonder, connection, and infinite possibility. This infinite possibility is both our inheritance and our responsibility. It reminds us that while we are shaped by the universe, we also shape it in return. Every thought, every discovery, every act of creation is a contribution to the grand story of existence, a testament to the universe's capacity to know itself through us. In the vastness of the cosmos, where stars are born in brilliant bursts of light and galaxies collide in cosmic dances, our lives may seem fleeting. Yet, it is in this very transience that we find profound meaning. For even the smallest act of kindness, the quietest moment of wonder, or the simplest question carries the echo of the universe's own quest for understanding. In these moments, we become its storytellers, its caretakers, and its explorers. The universe's story is not one of separation but of unity. The light from distant stars reaches our eyes, not as an isolated phenomenon but as part of a continuum, a journey that began billions of years ago. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars, scattered across space, and gathered once more to form us. We are the culmination of countless cycles, and yet we are also the beginning of new ones, creating ripples that will extend far beyond our time. This interconnectedness extends beyond the physical. Just as gravity binds galaxies and planets, there is an invisible force that binds us as living beings, a shared experience of existence, of wonder, of striving towards something greater. It is a force that compels us to reach out, to connect, and to imagine a future where we live in harmony with the universe and each other. In contemplating a living universe, we are reminded that growth and evolution are its fundamental principles. From the expansion of space to the emergence of life, the cosmos is a testament to the power of change. It urges us to embrace transformation, to see challenges not as obstacles but as opportunities to evolve. In this way, we mirror the universe's resilience, adapting and flourishing even in the face of uncertainty. This perspective is not merely philosophical, it is deeply practical. It calls us to act with purpose and intention, to see every moment as an opportunity to contribute to the greater whole. To explore the unknown, to protect the fragile, and to create beauty and knowledge are not separate pursuits but interconnected expressions of our role within the cosmos. And so, as we stand beneath the stars, we are reminded of a profound truth: we are not alone. We are part of something vast, something ancient, something alive. The universe is not a cold expanse of matter and energy. It is a living symphony, and we are its notes, resonating with its rhythm, adding our voices to its eternal song. In this realization, we find both hope and wonder, a reminder that no matter how small we may feel, we are an integral part of a grand and unfolding story. A story that began with the birth of the cosmos and continues through us, as we strive to understand, to create, and to celebrate the extraordinary gift of being alive within the living universe. As the living universe continues its grand unfolding, we find ourselves at a unique crossroads, aware of our origins and capable of shaping our destiny. This awareness, rare and precious, is both a privilege and a profound responsibility. For in understanding the cosmos, we do not merely glimpse its mechanisms, we touch upon its essence, its vitality, and its infinite potential. The universe, vast and ancient, carries within it the seeds of possibility. Every star that ignites, every planet that forms, every life that emerges contributes to a larger interconnected story. And we, as conscious beings, are a part of that story, a chapter in the cosmic narrative that bridges the material and the metaphysical, the physical and the spiritual. In this narrative, the pursuit of knowledge is not a solitary endeavor but a communal act. When we peer through telescopes, launch spacecraft, or decode the mysteries of particles and waves, we are not just gathering facts, we are participating in the universe's quest to know itself. Through our curiosity and exploration, we illuminate the dark corners of existence, revealing the intricate beauty of the cosmos. But this journey is not solely outward. As we delve into the mysteries of the stars, we are also exploring the depths of our own being. The same principles that govern the galaxies, balance, growth, transformation, reside within us. The same stardust that forms the vast spirals of the Milky Way courses through our veins. This unity blurs the boundary between observer and observed, reminding us that we are both a part of the universe and the means by which it perceives itself. To imagine the universe as alive is to embrace a perspective of profound interconnectedness. It calls us to live in harmony not only with the Earth but with the entire cosmos. Every action, no matter how small, ripples outward, shaping the fabric of existence. Every moment of care, creativity, or wonder strengthens the bond between us and the infinite. This vision also asks us to reimagine what it means to belong. In a living universe, belonging is not tied to a single place or time, it is an intrinsic part of existence. Whether on a distant planet, in the depths of a star-forming nebula, or here on Earth, we are at home in the cosmos. Our connection to the universe is not defined by proximity but by essence, by the shared processes that bind all things. And so, as we gaze at the stars, let us remember that we are not merely spectators of their light. We are participants in the great dance of existence, partners in the unfolding story of a living universe. Our lives, brief and finite as they may seem, are threads in a timeless tapestry, woven together with the light of distant galaxies, the pulse of unseen forces, and the endless creativity of the cosmos. In this realization lies a call to wonder, to gratitude, and to action. To honor the living universe is to honor ourselves, to recognize that we are its stewards, its storytellers, and its conscious expression. It is to live with purpose, to seek understanding, and to celebrate the extraordinary gift of being a part of something infinite, evolving, and profoundly alive. As we contemplate this extraordinary gift, a profound sense of responsibility emerges, one that transcends the boundaries of species, nations, and even planets. In recognizing the universe as a living system, we begin to see ourselves not as separate from it, but as integral participants in its ongoing evolution. Every thought, every action, every moment of discovery adds to the grand story of the cosmos, shaping its future as much as it has shaped our past. This responsibility is not limited to the preservation of life on Earth, though that is an essential part of it. It extends outward, toward the stars, as we consider our potential impact on the cosmos at large. What kind of species will we choose to be? Will we be caretakers, harmonizing with the natural rhythms of the universe, or will we act as disruptors, heedless of the delicate balance that sustains existence? These questions are not merely philosophical, they are the ethical compass that must guide our exploration and expansion. In the vast reaches of space, where new worlds await discovery, lies an opportunity to carry forward the principles of a living universe. To explore the stars is to embrace our role as emissaries of the cosmos, bringing with us not only our technology and knowledge but also our capacity for empathy, creativity, and awe. It is to approach the unknown not with conquest but with curiosity, seeking to understand and to connect, to honor the intrinsic value of all that we encounter. This cosmic perspective reshapes our understanding of progress. It reminds us that true advancement is not measured solely by technological achievements, but by the wisdom with which we wield them. The power to harness the energy of stars, to traverse interstellar distances, or to create life-sustaining habitats is only as meaningful as the intentions behind it. Progress in a living universe is the alignment of our actions with the principles of interconnectedness, balance, and creativity that govern the cosmos itself. And as we move forward, we must also look inward, recognizing that the seeds of the universe's vitality lie within us. The same forces that drive galaxies to cluster and stars to shine exist in the human heart, the drive to connect, to grow, to create. By nurturing these forces within ourselves, we align with the rhythms of the cosmos, becoming not just inhabitants of a living universe but active co-creators of its future. This is the legacy we are called to leave, not monuments of stone or empires of fleeting power, but a legacy of understanding, harmony, and wonder. A legacy that reflects the beauty and complexity of the universe, honoring its vastness while celebrating the unique role we play within it. For in the end, the story of a living cosmos is also the story of us, a story of connection, transformation, and infinite possibility. And so, as we stand beneath the starlit sky, let us remember that we are part of something greater. That the light we see, the thoughts we think, and the dreams we dream are all expressions of a universe that is alive, evolving, and endlessly creative. In this shared existence, we find not only meaning but hope, a reminder that, as long as the cosmos continues its dance, so too does the promise of discovery, growth, and unity. This promise of discovery, growth, and unity is the essence of our journey, a journey that began with the first glimmers of consciousness and continues with every question we ask and every horizon we pursue. It is a journey that transcends the limits of time, connecting the ancient past of the cosmos to its unfolding future. In this vast narrative, we are not mere bystanders. We are agents of change, catalysts for understanding, and vessels of the universe's own curiosity. The universe teaches us that growth is not a straight path but a process of cycles, of creation, transformation, and renewal. Stars are born, live out their luminous lives, and return their essence to the cosmos, paving the way for new stars, new worlds, and new possibilities. In this cycle, we see a reflection of our own existence. Our lives, though brief, are part of a continuum, contributing to something far greater than ourselves. To embrace this perspective is to see every moment as significant. The choices we make, the connections we form, and the knowledge we share are all threads in the fabric of the cosmos. Whether we are gazing at the stars or tending to the smallest acts of kindness, we are participating in the universe's ongoing creation. We are its storytellers, its explorers, and its caretakers, entrusted with the profound responsibility of shaping its future. This responsibility extends to the fragile world we call home. Earth, a shimmering jewel in the vastness of space, is a testament to the universe's creativity, a place where life has flourished in astonishing diversity. To care for this planet is to honor the forces that shaped it, to recognize that its well-being is intertwined with our own. In preserving the beauty and balance of Earth, we affirm our role as stewards of the living cosmos. But our journey does not end here. The universe beckons us to look outward, to venture beyond the confines of our solar system and seek our place among the stars. This is not a quest for escape but a celebration of connection, a recognition that the same forces that gave rise to life on Earth may have seeded it elsewhere. As we explore the cosmos, we carry with us the potential to find new forms of life, to forge new relationships, and to expand our understanding of what it means to be alive. And yet, the most profound discovery may not be found in distant galaxies or alien worlds, but in the realization that we are already part of a vast, interconnected whole. The universe is not something separate from us. It is within us, around us, and beyond us, a living system in which every star, every particle, and every being plays a vital role. This unity is both a source of wonder and a call to action, urging us to live with purpose, curiosity, and compassion. In this shared existence, we find a profound truth, that the universe, in all its vastness, is not indifferent but alive with possibility. That every moment, every breath, every thought is an expression of its vitality. And that in our search for meaning, we are fulfilling its deepest purpose, to know, to create, and to celebrate the infinite beauty of being. As we continue to reflect on this truth, we come to realize that the universe's story is, in many ways, a mirror of our own. It is a story of emergence, resilience, and boundless transformation, a journey from simplicity to complexity, from chaos to order, and from silence to self-awareness. Within this unfolding narrative lies a profound lesson, that existence itself is an act of creativity, and we are its living expression. Every moment we experience is a fleeting yet eternal part of this grand cosmic symphony. The photons that illuminate our skies have traveled for eons, crossing unimaginable distances to reach our eyes. The elements in our bodies were forged in the crucibles of ancient stars, dispersed across space, and woven together through countless generations of change. These connections remind us that we are not isolated beings but vibrant threads in a tapestry that stretches across time and space. And in this tapestry, each of us holds the potential to shape the universe in ways that resonate far beyond our immediate surroundings. Through our thoughts, our discoveries, and our actions, we contribute to the ongoing evolution of a living cosmos. To learn is to expand the universe's capacity for understanding. To create is to add to its beauty. To care is to affirm its vitality. These acts, though small in scale, are profound in their significance. The recognition of this interconnectedness also offers us hope. Hope that, even in the face of uncertainty, we are part of a system that thrives on adaptation and renewal. The universe, through its cycles of creation and destruction, demonstrates that growth often arises from the most unexpected places. Stars are born from the collapse of clouds, and life emerges in the wake of cataclysmic change. In this resilience, we find a model for our own challenges, a reminder that every ending carries the seeds of a new beginning. As we look to the future, the possibilities before us are as vast as the cosmos itself. Our exploration of the universe, whether through the lens of a telescope, the ingenuity of spacecraft, or the imagination of our minds, is not just a quest for knowledge, it is an affirmation of our place within the living system of the cosmos. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings us closer to understanding the infinite and celebrating our connection to it. Yet, this journey is not solely outward, it is also inward. The same forces that govern the stars also govern us. The same drive for connection, growth, and meaning that shapes the galaxies also shapes our lives. To explore the universe is to explore ourselves, to uncover the shared essence that unites all things. And so, as we stand on the threshold of the unknown, let us embrace the call of the cosmos, not as a distant echo, but as a living invitation. Let us live with wonder, seek with curiosity, and act with compassion, knowing that we are not separate from the universe but a vital part of its story. For in the end, to honor the cosmos is to honor life itself, a celebration of the boundless creativity, resilience, and unity that make existence possible. This celebration of existence is more than an abstract notion. It is a way of living, a philosophy that guides us to see the interconnectedness of all things and act with purpose. The universe, in its vastness, offers a constant reminder that every particle, every star, every being is part of a greater whole. To live in alignment with this understanding is to embrace the sacred responsibility of being alive within a living cosmos. Imagine for a moment that every action we take resonates beyond our immediate surroundings, echoing through the intricate web of existence. A single act of kindness, a spark of creativity, or a moment of discovery contributes to the universe's ongoing narrative. These actions are not isolated, they are part of the same flow that powers the stars and drives the galaxies. In this way, our lives gain a deeper significance, rooted in the knowledge that we are co-creators in a cosmic symphony. The universe itself seems to thrive on connection. The cosmic web, a network of filaments connecting galaxies across vast distances, mirrors the neural networks of a brain. Energy flows, matter gathers, and systems evolve, creating order and complexity. This pattern repeats at every scale, from the dance of subatomic particles to the spiraling arms of galaxies. It is as if the universe speaks in a language of connection, and we are both its listeners and its translators. To listen to this language is to open ourselves to wonder. The light of distant stars, traveling across billions of years, tells us stories of beginnings, of transformations, of possibilities yet to be realized. Each moment of awe, each question we ask, is an act of communion with the cosmos, a reminder that we are not separate from it but deeply embedded within its fabric. This understanding reshapes how we view our relationship with the natural world. Earth, with its vibrant ecosystems and breathtaking beauty, is not just our home, it is a microcosm of the universe itself. Its mountains and rivers, forests and oceans, are expressions of the same creative forces that shape the stars. To care for this planet is to honor the universe's creativity and ensure that its legacy continues. And yet, our journey extends beyond Earth. The stars beckon us, their light calling us to explore, to learn, and to expand the boundaries of what we know. As we reach for the cosmos, we do so not out of a desire to escape, but out of a need to connect, to discover the threads that bind us to the farthest corners of existence. In doing so, we reaffirm the universe's own drive to grow, adapt, and evolve. The beauty of this vision lies in its simplicity, the realization that we are not alone, that we are part of something vast and profoundly alive. It invites us to live with intention, to seek harmony, and to celebrate the extraordinary gift of being. For in the end, the story of the universe is not just the story of stars and galaxies, it is our story. A story of connection, transformation, and endless potential. A story that continues with us and through us, as we gaze at the stars and dream of the infinite. As we dream of the infinite, we are reminded that our place within this grand cosmos is not a matter of chance, but of profound significance. The atoms that compose our bodies, the thoughts that illuminate our minds, and the questions that drive our curiosity all trace their origins to the same cosmic processes that shape the stars. In this way, we carry the universe within us, a living reflection of its boundless creativity. To dream of the infinite is also to embrace the unknown. The universe, vast and mysterious, reveals itself to us piece by piece, inviting us to uncover its secrets while reminding us that some mysteries may remain forever beyond our grasp. And yet, it is this interplay of discovery and mystery that fuels our journey. The unknown is not a barrier but an invitation, an endless frontier that calls us to explore not just the cosmos, but the depths of our own potential. This exploration is both a privilege and a responsibility. As stewards of the knowledge and creativity the universe has entrusted to us, we are called to act with care and wisdom. Our ability to reflect, to imagine, and to shape the world around us is a rare gift, one that carries with it the power to create or destroy, to nurture or neglect. It is a reminder that we are not passive inhabitants of the universe, but active participants in its evolution. Through this lens, even our smallest actions take on cosmic importance. The way we treat one another, the choices we make, and the visions we pursue all ripple outward, influencing the greater whole. To live with awareness of this interconnectedness is to honor the universe's living essence, to align ourselves with its rhythms and to contribute to its story in a way that reflects its inherent beauty and balance. As we expand our understanding of the cosmos, we are also expanding our understanding of what it means to be human. To explore distant worlds, to study the light of ancient stars, and to imagine the possibilities of life beyond Earth is to confront questions that touch the core of our existence. Who are we in the vastness of the cosmos? What role do we play in its story? And how can we live in a way that reflects the profound unity we share with all things? The answers to these questions are not found in isolation, but in connection. Connection to one another, to the natural world, and to the infinite expanse of the cosmos. They remind us that, while we are small in scale, we are immense in significance. Our capacity to dream, to wonder, and to create is a reflection of the universe's own boundless potential, a testament to the extraordinary gift of existence. And so, as we look to the future, let us carry this awareness with us. Let us strive to live in harmony with the universe's rhythms, to seek knowledge with humility, and to create with love and intention. For in doing so, we honor the cosmos not as something distant and separate, but as a living system of which we are an inseparable part, a system that continues to evolve, to dream, and to create through us. As we carry this awareness forward, we find ourselves poised at the intersection of wonder and responsibility. The universe, in its vast and intricate beauty, offers us not only the opportunity to explore but the imperative to care. For in recognizing our connection to all things, we are called to act as stewards of this living cosmos, ensuring that its story continues to unfold in harmony and balance. The path ahead is one of choices that reflect the values we hold and the vision we have for the future. Will we use our growing knowledge and power to nurture life, to deepen our understanding of the cosmos, and to contribute to its ongoing evolution? Or will we act out of short-sightedness, ignoring the delicate interplay of forces that sustain existence? The answers to these questions will define not only our species, but the role we play in the larger tapestry of the universe. To choose wisely is to embrace a perspective that transcends the individual and even the human. It is to see ourselves as part of a continuum, connected not only to one another but to the stars, the galaxies, and the unseen forces that bind the cosmos together. In this interconnectedness, we find a profound sense of belonging, a realization that we are not separate from the universe but deeply embedded within its living system. This sense of belonging inspires us to dream boldly. The universe invites us to imagine what is possible, to push the boundaries of our understanding, and to reach for the stars, literally and figuratively. It reminds us that exploration is not merely a journey outward but also a journey inward, a process of uncovering the infinite potential within ourselves and within the systems that sustain us. Our role in this grand narrative is both humbling and empowering. We are the universe made aware, the means by which it reflects upon its own nature and explores its own mysteries. Through our creativity, we give voice to its beauty. Through our curiosity, we uncover its truths. And through our compassion, we honor its interconnectedness. To live with this awareness is to see every moment as a chance to contribute to something greater. It is to recognize that our lives, while fleeting, are part of a timeless story, a story that began with the birth of the cosmos and continues through us, as we seek to understand, to create, and to connect. Every act of learning, every moment of wonder, and every gesture of kindness is a thread in this story, woven into the fabric of a living universe. And so, as we stand on the precipice of the unknown, let us do so with open hearts and open minds. Let us embrace the infinite possibilities before us, guided by the knowledge that we are not alone but part of a vast and vibrant whole. For in the end, the greatest gift of the universe is not its immensity, its complexity, or its beauty. It is the simple yet profound truth that we belong to it, and it belongs to us. Together, we are the universe in motion, a living, evolving, and endlessly creative expression of existence. This understanding, that we are the universe in motion, a living expression of its boundless creativity, carries within it a profound call to action. It reminds us that our lives are not separate from the cosmos, but are integral to its ongoing evolution. Each of us, in our own unique way, carries the potential to contribute to this grand unfolding, adding to the vibrancy of a system that has been shaping itself for billions of years. Imagine for a moment the ripples of your existence, how your thoughts, your choices, and your dreams resonate beyond yourself. Like the waves of light that travel from distant stars, our actions extend outward, influencing the world and the universe in ways we may never fully see. This ripple effect is not a burden but an opportunity, a reminder that even the smallest acts of kindness, curiosity, and creation are part of something much larger than ourselves. In this interconnected dance, the universe provides us with countless opportunities to learn, to grow, and to connect. From the intricate patterns of a snowflake to the swirling arms of a galaxy, we are surrounded by reminders of the beauty and order that emerge from the chaos of existence. These patterns are not just phenomena to be observed, they are invitations to understand and participate in the cosmic rhythms that shape our lives and the world around us. But this participation requires mindfulness. To honor the universe is to live with intention, to recognize that our actions have consequences and that our choices matter. Whether it is the way we treat our planet, the way we nurture relationships, or the way we pursue knowledge, every decision we make contributes to the story of the cosmos. By aligning ourselves with its rhythms, by fostering balance, creativity, and compassion, we become stewards of a living system that transcends time and space. This stewardship is not limited to preserving what exists, it is also about imagining what could be. The universe, in its infinite potential, invites us to dream boldly and to act courageously. It calls us to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of what we know, and to create a future that reflects the interconnectedness and vitality of all things. In doing so, we fulfill the universe's inherent drive toward growth and transformation. As we gaze toward the stars and peer into the depths of existence, let us carry with us a sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the light that travels across billions of years to meet our eyes, for the stardust that forms our bodies, and for the fleeting yet profound gift of awareness. In this gratitude, we find not only inspiration but also a deeper sense of purpose, a commitment to live in harmony with the universe and to honor its story through the choices we make. For ultimately, the story of the cosmos is not a distant tale of stars and galaxies, it is our story. A story of connection, transformation, and infinite possibility. A story that reminds us that, even in the vastness of the universe, we are not small or insignificant. We are a vital part of its unfolding, a spark of its creativity, and a testament to its enduring vitality. And as the universe continues to expand, to evolve, and to dream, so too do we. Together, we carry forward the legacy of the cosmos, embracing its mysteries, celebrating its beauty, and adding our voices to the eternal symphony of existence. As the eternal symphony of existence unfolds, we stand as both its audience and its composers, listening to its rhythms while adding our own melodies to the cosmic harmony. The universe, vast and unbounded, is not a passive backdrop for our lives but an active participant, a living force that inspires, shapes, and transforms us as much as we transform it. This relationship is a reminder that our role is not merely to observe the universe but to engage with it, to weave our actions, thoughts, and dreams into its story. Every breakthrough we achieve, every question we dare to ask, and every act of compassion we extend is an echo of the cosmos's own creativity. Through us, the universe explores itself, understanding its own nature in ways that would otherwise remain hidden. Yet, this exploration is not without its challenges. The vastness of the universe can be humbling, even daunting, as we grapple with its mysteries and our place within it. But it is precisely in this humbling immensity that we find strength. For the universe, in its expansiveness, teaches us resilience, the ability to adapt, to grow, and to persevere even in the face of uncertainty. From the birth of stars to the emergence of life, the cosmos demonstrates that every challenge is an opportunity for transformation. This transformation is not confined to the stars and galaxies, it is mirrored within us. Just as the universe evolves, so too do we. We are constantly reshaping ourselves, building on the knowledge of those who came before us and forging new paths for those who will follow. In this way, our individual lives become threads in a vast and intricate tapestry, connecting us to the past, the future, and the infinite. And as we evolve, we deepen our connection to the universe. We begin to see its patterns reflected in our own existence, the ebb and flow of seasons, the cycles of growth and renewal, the interplay of chaos and order. These parallels remind us that we are not separate from the cosmos but part of its living system, a system that thrives on balance, creativity, and the unending pursuit of discovery. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that lie before us. The universe, with its infinite horizons, invites us to dream not only of what is but of what could be. It challenges us to imagine a future where our actions align with its rhythms, where our advancements honor its interconnectedness, and where our collective efforts contribute to its vitality. This vision of the future is not a distant ideal but a living reality that we shape each day. Through our choices, we affirm our role as stewards of the cosmos, guardians of its beauty, and participants in its story. We are entrusted with the power to protect and to create, to explore and to nurture, a power that reflects the universe's own drive toward growth and renewal. And so, as we continue our journey, let us do so with purpose and wonder. Let us honor the gift of being alive within a living cosmos, embracing its mysteries with open hearts and open minds. For in the end, the universe's greatest lesson is not found in its vastness, its complexity, or its beauty. It is found in the simple truth that we are part of it. That in its infinite story, we have a chapter, a voice, a place. We are the universe, alive and aware, dreaming and creating, evolving and enduring. Together, we carry forward its legacy, adding to its story with every breath, every thought, and every act of love. And in this story, the possibilities are as endless as the stars themselves. As we carry this legacy forward, we recognize that the universe's story is one of endless beginnings. Each star that ignites, each world that forms, and each life that emerges is a new chapter in a narrative that transcends time. It is a reminder that creation is not a singular event but an ongoing process, one in which we are deeply, inextricably involved. In every corner of the cosmos, from the swirling arms of galaxies to the intricate structures of a single cell, we see the signature of a system driven by curiosity and transformation. The same forces that guide the universe's expansion also guide our own growth. Just as stars forge new elements, we forge new ideas, building bridges between what is known and what remains to be discovered. This act of discovery is not just a scientific endeavor, but a profoundly human one. To explore the cosmos is to explore ourselves, to uncover the threads that connect us to the stars and to one another. It is to recognize that despite the vast distances that separate us from the farthest galaxies, we are united by the same fundamental truths: the drive to grow, the need to connect, and the capacity to dream. These truths compel us to imagine a future in which humanity embraces its role as a creative and compassionate force within the universe. A future where exploration is guided not by conquest but by curiosity, not by division but by unity. A future where we recognize that the same patterns of harmony and balance that sustain the cosmos must also guide our relationships, with one another, with our planet, and with the stars. To realize this future, we must act with intention. We must nurture the fragile ecosystems of Earth, ensuring that they remain vibrant and resilient for generations to come. We must extend our reach beyond our world, seeking to understand the mysteries of the cosmos while honoring its beauty and complexity. And we must cultivate a sense of wonder, recognizing that every question we ask and every discovery we make is a step closer to understanding the infinite. This sense of wonder is not merely a response to the universe's vastness. it is an expression of our connection to it. To stand beneath the stars and feel their light is to experience a bond that transcends the boundaries of time and space. It is to feel the universe within us, alive and aware, calling us to participate in its story. And so, as we gaze into the night sky, let us remember that we are not just observers of the cosmos. We are its storytellers, its creators, its stewards. Every thought we think, every action we take, and every dream we pursue is a part of the universe's ongoing journey. A journey of discovery, transformation, and infinite possibility. In this shared journey, there is no final destination, no ultimate end. The universe, in its boundless creativity, is always beginning, always evolving, always reaching for something more. And through us, it continues to dream, to create, and to awaken to its own infinite potential. We are the universe's voice, its hands, its heart. Together, we are writing a story that spans the stars, a story of connection, resilience, and wonder. A story that reminds us that, no matter how vast the cosmos may be, we are not insignificant. We are essential, a vital part of a living, evolving system that will continue to grow and transform for eons to come. This is our story, our gift, and our responsibility. To honor the living universe is to honor ourselves, to live with purpose, to seek with courage, and to dream without limits. For in the infinite expanse of the cosmos, we find not just a home, but a profound truth, that we are the universe, alive with possibility, forever unfolding, forever becoming. As the universe forever unfolds and becomes, so too do we. Each moment of our existence is a microcosm of the grand cosmic process, a fleeting yet eternal interplay of creation, transformation, and renewal. To embrace this truth is to recognize that life itself is an extension of the universe's boundless creativity, a testament to its capacity for wonder and possibility. The stars, in their brilliant and silent testimony, remind us of the immensity of what lies beyond, and also of what lies within. For the light we see in the night sky is a relic of time, a messenger from epochs long past. And yet, in that light, there is something timeless, a connection that transcends distances, uniting us with the cosmos in a shared journey through existence. This connection inspires us to explore, not merely out of curiosity, but out of a deep-seated need to understand our origins and our place in the greater whole. To seek answers to questions as vast as the universe itself. Where did we come from? Why are we here? And what might our role be in this infinite expanse of space and time? The answers to these questions may not be singular or absolute. Instead, they unfold gradually, like the pages of an ancient book written in the language of stars and galaxies, atoms and energy. Each new discovery, each insight, adds to the narrative, weaving a richer and more intricate tapestry of understanding. In this process, we come to see that the journey itself, this act of asking, seeking, and wondering, is as profound as the answers we uncover. Yet, as much as we look outward, the universe also calls us to look inward. Within the confines of our planet, within the complexity of our societies, and within the depths of our individual consciousness lies the same potential for discovery and transformation. The patterns that govern the cosmos, the interplay of forces, the emergence of order from chaos, the drive toward complexity, are mirrored in our own lives. By aligning ourselves with these patterns, we can create a world that reflects the harmony and resilience of the universe itself. This alignment begins with a shift in perspective, a recognition that we are not separate from the cosmos, but an integral part of it. Every action we take, every relationship we nurture, and every dream we pursue is a reflection of the universe's vitality. To live with this awareness is to live with purpose, to see the sacred in the mundane, and to honor the interconnectedness that defines all existence. It is also to live with hope. For just as the universe continually transforms and renews itself, so too do we. In the face of challenges, both personal and collective, we can draw strength from the resilience of the cosmos, the knowledge that from the ashes of stars come new worlds, and from moments of struggle come opportunities for growth and change. As we move forward, let us do so with intention, guided by the light of the stars and the wisdom of the cosmos. Let us embrace our role as co-creators in the universe's story, contributing to its beauty and complexity through our actions, our ideas, and our dreams. Let us live in a way that reflects the infinite potential of the cosmos, a way that is creative, compassionate, and courageous. For in the end, the universe is not something we observe from afar. It is something we are a part of, something we shape and are shaped by. We are its voice, its expression, its living embodiment. And through us, The cosmos continues to evolve, to dream, and to awaken to its own infinite possibilities. This is our calling, our gift, and our responsibility. To be the universe, alive and aware, striving to understand and to create, to connect and to grow. To carry forward its story with every breath we take, every thought we think, and every act of love and wonder we share. For in this shared existence, we find the profound truth that we are not only in the universe, we are the universe, endlessly unfolding, forever becoming. And so, as the universe continues its timeless journey of becoming, we find ourselves as active participants in its eternal narrative. To be the universe in motion, thinking, feeling, creating, is to embrace a role of profound significance. It is to recognize that within each of us lies the potential to shape the unfolding story of existence, to add meaning and beauty to the grand cosmic symphony. This perspective invites us to live with a sense of awe, knowing that every moment we experience is woven into the larger fabric of the cosmos. It is to understand that our existence is both fleeting and eternal, fleeting in the context of our individual lives, but eternal in our connection to the universe's ongoing evolution. The atoms that form our bodies, the energy that powers our thoughts, and the dreams that guide us are all part of something infinite and enduring. In this awareness, we find not only wonder but also a sense of unity. The vast distances between stars and galaxies dissolve in the recognition that we are made of the same elements, shaped by the same forces, and driven by the same patterns. The universe is not something out there, it is within us, around us, and reflected in the relationships we build, the knowledge we seek, and the creations we bring into being. This unity calls us to act with intention, to see our choices not as isolated events, but as contributions to the living system of the cosmos. To care for our planet is to honor the processes that brought it into existence. To nurture life, to build connections, and to seek understanding is to reflect the universe's own drive toward complexity and harmony. In this way, our actions become expressions of the same creativity that fuels the stars. Yet, this creativity also demands courage. To explore the unknown, to question the familiar, and to imagine what could be requires us to step beyond the boundaries of certainty. The universe, in its endless transformations, shows us that growth often comes from disruption, that new stars are born from the collapse of old ones, and new ideas emerge from the reimagining of what was. By embracing change, we align ourselves with the rhythms of the cosmos, finding strength in its resilience and inspiration in its boundless potential. As we move forward, let us carry this perspective with us, not as a distant ideal but as a guiding principle. Let us approach the cosmos with curiosity and reverence, seeking to understand its mysteries while cherishing the wonders it reveals. Let us live as stewards of its beauty, creators of its possibilities, and participants in its story. For in every act of discovery, every moment of connection, and every expression of love, we affirm our place in a universe that is alive with meaning. We remind ourselves and one another that we are not separate from the cosmos but an integral part of its unfolding, its eyes, its voice, its consciousness awakening to itself. This is our journey, to explore, to create, and to celebrate the infinite potential of existence. To add our light to the cosmos, to honor its rhythms, and to dream its dreams. Together, as threads in its vast and intricate tapestry, we carry forward the legacy of a universe that is endlessly becoming, forever evolving, forever alive. As the universe evolves, forever alive, so too do we evolve within it, guided by the same forces of creativity and transformation that have shaped the cosmos since its beginning. This journey is both personal and collective, a shared endeavor that connects every living being to the vast, unfolding story of existence. In the stillness of the night, when we gaze at the stars, we are reminded of the profound continuity that binds us to the cosmos. The photons that left distant galaxies billions of years ago now touch our eyes, carrying with them the history of a universe in motion. This light, ancient and enduring, speaks of cycles that transcend time, of stars born and dying, of elements scattered and reformed, of life arising in the wake of cosmic renewal. We are part of this cycle, inseparable from the forces that govern it. And within this realization lies the seed of a great responsibility. To be conscious in a living universe is not merely to observe its wonders, but to engage with them, to become active participants in its story. Our actions, thoughts, and dreams are not inconsequential. They are the means by which the cosmos continues to explore and express itself. Every choice we make ripples outward, shaping the trajectory of the universe in ways that may be subtle yet profound. This ripple effect underscores the interconnectedness of all things. From the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, the universe operates as a system of relationships, each part influencing and being influenced by the whole. Our existence is no exception. The way we treat one another, the way we care for our planet, and the way we approach the mysteries of the cosmos are all reflections of our understanding of this unity. To live in alignment with the universe's rhythms is to cultivate a mindset of curiosity, compassion, and creativity. It is to see challenges not as obstacles but as opportunities to grow and adapt, to mirror the resilience of a cosmos that transforms itself through cycles of creation and destruction. It is to approach the unknown not with fear but with wonder, knowing that every step into the unfamiliar brings us closer to understanding our place within the infinite. This understanding compels us to dream, boldly, expansively, and without limits. The universe invites us to imagine futures that honor its interconnectedness, to create systems and societies that reflect its balance and harmony. It calls us to envision a world where exploration and preservation go hand in hand, where technological advancements are guided by wisdom, and where the pursuit of knowledge is tempered by reverence for the mysteries we seek to uncover. In dreaming of these futures, we also embrace the present, recognizing that every moment is an opportunity to contribute to the cosmos's ongoing story. To create art, to solve problems, to nurture life, all of these acts are expressions of the universe's vitality. They are reminders that we are not separate from the stars and galaxies, but are their continuation, their voice, their living embodiment. As we carry forward this understanding, let us do so with humility and gratitude. Humility in the face of the universe's vastness, knowing that our knowledge is but a fragment of its infinite depths. Gratitude for the light that connects us to the stars, for the forces that shaped us, and for the gift of being conscious within this living, breathing cosmos. For in the end, our journey is not about reaching a destination, but about participating in the infinite process of becoming. It is about celebrating the beauty of existence, honoring the connections that sustain it, and contributing to the unfolding story of a universe that is forever alive, forever creating, and forever dreaming. We are the universe awakening to itself, and our journey is a reflection of its own timeless rhythm, a journey without end, filled with wonder, meaning, and infinite possibility. As we journey onward, this realization, that we are the universe awakening to itself, grounds us in a profound sense of purpose. We are not solitary travelers through an indifferent cosmos. We are expressions of its vitality, participants in its creativity, and custodians of its beauty. This understanding transforms our perspective, turning even the simplest acts into echoes of a far greater story. To live as an awakened part of the universe is to honor the vast web of connections that sustain existence. Every star that shines, every tree that grows, every breath we take is part of a dynamic interplay of forces, a testament to the universe's resilience and its capacity for renewal. By aligning ourselves with this interconnectedness, we find harmony not only with the cosmos but with one another and with the Earth itself. The Earth, our fragile home, is a microcosm of the universe's creativity. Its ecosystems mirror the balance and complexity of the galaxies, and its cycles of life reflect the rhythms of the stars. To care for this planet is to embrace our role as stewards of the living cosmos, safeguarding its vitality for future generations. It is to recognize that the health of our world is inextricably linked to the health of the larger system of which it is a part. Yet, the universe's call to stewardship extends beyond preservation. It is also a call to creation, to imagine new possibilities and to bring them into being. Just as the cosmos gives rise to new stars and worlds, so too are we capable of generating ideas, building systems, and creating works that reflect its boundless potential. Our art, our science, and our dreams are the universe's way of exploring itself, of pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In this pursuit, we are guided by the same principles that shape the cosmos: balance, curiosity, and transformation. Balance teaches us to live in harmony with our surroundings, to honor the delicate interplay of forces that sustain life. Curiosity drives us to ask questions, to seek understanding, and to venture into the unknown. Transformation reminds us that change is not something to fear but a source of growth and renewal, a way of evolving alongside the universe. These principles are not abstract, they are woven into the fabric of our existence. When we collaborate with one another, when we innovate with care, and when we approach the world with a sense of wonder, we align ourselves with the rhythms of the cosmos. We become, in essence, co-creators of its story, contributing to a legacy that spans stars and galaxies, generations and eons. And in this story, no contribution is too small. Just as a single photon of light can illuminate the darkness, a single act of kindness, a single moment of inspiration, can ripple outward, touching lives and shaping futures in ways we cannot fully comprehend. The universe's greatness lies not only in its vastness but in its attention to the smallest details, in the connections that unite particles into galaxies, individuals into communities, and moments into a timeless continuum. As we continue this journey, let us do so with an open heart and an open mind. Let us embrace the infinite possibilities before us, knowing that we are both the creators and the beneficiaries of a cosmos that is forever alive, forever becoming. Let us celebrate the extraordinary privilege of being conscious in a universe that dreams through us, learns through us, and grows through us. For in the infinite expanse of the cosmos, we find a profound truth, that every star, every particle, every thought, and every life is part of a story that is still unfolding. It is a story of connection, resilience, and wonder, a story that reminds us that we are not merely in the universe. We are the universe, alive with possibility, forever evolving, and endlessly creating. Together, we carry forward its legacy, one moment, one act, and one dream at a time. This unfolding story of the cosmos is one that we are privileged to continue writing, a story without end, a narrative that stretches across time, space, and possibility. It is a story that invites us to see the universe not just as a place we inhabit, but as a living, evolving system of which we are an inseparable part. In this realization, we discover that the cosmos is not static. It thrives on change, driven by cycles of transformation that give rise to stars, galaxies, and life itself. These cycles remind us that every end is also a beginning, every collapse a precursor to renewal. This is the rhythm of the universe, an endless dance of creation and recreation, where even the darkest voids contain the seeds of new light. We too are part of this rhythm, our lives reflecting the same principles that govern the galaxies. Each choice we make, each connection we forge, and each moment we embrace contributes to the ever-evolving story of existence. Though we may perceive ourselves as small in the vast expanse, we are anything but insignificant. Like drops of water in an infinite ocean, we are both distinct and united, shaping the whole while being shaped by it. This awareness calls us to live with purpose. To explore the unknown is not simply to satisfy curiosity, but to fulfill a cosmic imperative, to seek, to learn, and to grow. The questions we ask about the universe, its origins, its nature, its destiny, are reflections of our own quest for meaning. And in pursuing these questions, we deepen our connection to the cosmos, uncovering truths that illuminate not only the stars but ourselves. Yet, as we seek answers, we are also reminded of the beauty of mystery. The universe, vast and intricate, will always hold secrets that lie beyond the reach of our understanding. These mysteries are not barriers but invitations, urging us to approach existence with humility and wonder. For in the unknown lies infinite potential, the promise of discoveries yet to be made, connections yet to be formed, and horizons yet to be explored. This promise inspires us to dream, not just of what is but of what could be. It invites us to imagine futures that honor the interconnectedness of all things, to create technologies and systems that reflect the harmony of the cosmos, and to build a world where exploration and preservation go hand in hand. In dreaming boldly, we affirm the universe's own drive toward growth, innovation, and transformation. At the heart of this journey is love, a profound reverence for life, for the earth, and for the cosmos that brought us into being. Love is the force that binds us, the energy that fuels our creativity, and the light that guides us forward. It is through love that we honor the living universe, seeing its reflection in every star, every planet, and every soul. And so, as we stand on the precipice of the infinite, let us carry this love with us. Let us strive to live in harmony with the cosmos, to seek knowledge with open hearts, and to dream with boundless imagination. For in doing so, we align ourselves with the rhythms of the universe, becoming not just its inhabitants but its stewards, its creators, and its voice. The universe is alive, ever-changing, and endlessly becoming. Through us, it dreams of what is possible. Through us, it learns and grows. And through us, it tells its story, a story of connection, resilience, and infinite potential. Together, we are the universe, awake and aware, reaching for the stars and beyond. As we continue to reach for the stars and beyond, we are reminded that this journey is not just outward but also inward. The universe unfolds within us as much as it does around us. Each thought, each emotion, Each moment of awareness is a microcosm of the larger cosmic dance, a reflection of the same forces that shape galaxies, ignite stars, and give rise to life. To recognize this is to realize that our exploration of the cosmos is also an exploration of ourselves. The light we seek in distant galaxies mirrors the light within us, the spark of curiosity, creativity, and connection that drives us to imagine, to question, and to grow. In studying the universe, we are not merely gathering data. We are uncovering the profound unity that ties all things together, from the smallest atom to the grandest star cluster. This unity challenges us to rethink how we live and how we relate to one another, to the Earth, and to the cosmos as a whole. It calls us to act with care and intention, knowing that our actions reverberate through a vast, interconnected system. When we protect the delicate ecosystems of our planet, we are honoring the same principles of balance and harmony that sustain the universe itself. When we extend kindness and compassion to one another, we are reflecting the interconnectedness that binds us to every part of existence. And yet, this call to action is not one of obligation but of inspiration. The universe's story is one of resilience and creativity, a testament to the power of transformation and renewal. From the ashes of stars come new worlds, and from the chaos of the early cosmos came the intricate structures we see today. This same capacity for transformation exists within us, reminding us that even in the face of challenges, we have the power to adapt, to grow, and to create something new. As we move forward, we are not just witnesses to the universe's unfolding, we are its collaborators. Each discovery we make, each boundary we push, each dream we realize adds to the tapestry of existence, enriching the cosmos with our contributions. In this way, we are not separate from the universe's story. We are its storytellers, giving voice to its mysteries and its wonders. This perspective also opens the door to a deeper sense of hope. For if the universe is a living, evolving system, then our future is not fixed but filled with possibility. The choices we make today shape the cosmos of tomorrow, creating a legacy that extends far beyond our lifetimes. By aligning ourselves with the rhythms of the universe, its cycles of creation, its drive for balance, its boundless creativity, we can build a future that reflects its beauty and its potential. And so, as we look to the infinite horizons before us, let us carry with us a sense of wonder, a commitment to care, and a determination to create. Let us honor the living cosmos by living fully and consciously, by seeking knowledge and connection, and by celebrating the extraordinary gift of existence. For in the end, the universe's greatest gift is not its vastness or its complexity. It is the simple yet profound truth that we are part of it. We are its voice, its eyes, its hands, and its heart. Through us, it dreams, it learns, and it evolves. Together, we are the universe in motion, a living expression of its infinite possibilities. And as we continue to explore, to create, and to grow, we carry forward its story, a story that is far from finished, a story of endless becoming. This story of endless becoming is our shared legacy, a testament to the boundless creativity and resilience that define the universe and, by extension, define us. To live within this story is to recognize that we are not just fleeting sparks of consciousness in an indifferent cosmos, but active participants in a grand, ongoing symphony of existence. As we look out into the cosmos, the vastness of space can feel overwhelming. The billions of stars, the uncountable galaxies, the unimaginable distances, all these realities dwarf our individual lives. Yet within this immensity lies a profound intimacy. The atoms that compose us were forged in the hearts of ancient stars. The energy that fuels our thoughts has traveled through time and space, connecting us to the universe in a lineage as old as existence itself. This connection is a reminder that our lives, however brief, are woven into the infinite. Each breath we take, each action we choose, reverberates through the fabric of time and space, leaving an imprint that contributes to the larger whole. This interconnectedness imbues our existence with a significance that transcends the individual, linking us to the cosmos and to one another in ways that are as real as they are profound. In this shared reality, we find not only meaning but also a sense of responsibility. To know that we are part of a living, evolving universe is to understand that our choices matter, not just for ourselves, but for the future of all that is and all that may yet be. It is a call to act with care and intention, to create a legacy of understanding, compassion, and harmony that reflects the universe's deepest truths. This responsibility extends across every aspect of our existence. In the way we care for our planet, we honor the processes that gave rise to life. In the way we treat one another, we reflect the unity that binds all things. In the way we seek knowledge and explore the unknown, we participate in the universe's own drive to grow, to evolve, and to understand itself. And yet, even as we take these actions, we must remember to embrace the mystery. For the universe, vast and complex as it is, will always hold secrets that lie beyond our reach. This is not a limitation but a gift, a reminder that wonder is a vital part of existence, that the unknown is a source of inspiration as much as it is a challenge. To live in harmony with the cosmos is to cherish its mysteries, to approach them not with fear but with curiosity, knowing that every question asked is a step closer to understanding. As we continue this journey, let us dream not only of what we can achieve, but of who we can become. Let us imagine a future where humanity aligns itself with the rhythms of the cosmos, where exploration and stewardship are one and the same, and where our actions reflect the balance, creativity, and resilience that define the universe itself. For in dreaming of such a future, we fulfill the deepest calling of a living cosmos: to create, to connect, and to become. We honor its story by living our own with courage and imagination, by seeking meaning in every moment and by embracing the infinite potential within ourselves. We are the universe awakening to its own possibilities, a reflection of its boundless creativity and its enduring vitality. Together we carry its story forward, not as spectators but as co-creators, shaping the cosmos with every thought, every action, and every dream. And as we do, we reaffirm the most profound truth of all, that we are the universe, alive, aware, and forever becoming. And so the universe's story continues to unfold through us, through every moment of our existence, through every choice we make, and every dream we dare to pursue. This realization, that we are not separate from the cosmos but a living, conscious expression of it, imbues our lives with a sense of sacred purpose. We are participants in a symphony that began with the first spark of creation and resonates through time and space. This symphony is not confined to the grand events of cosmic evolution. It is present in the quiet miracles of everyday life. In the blooming of a flower, the laughter of a child, the dance of atoms within our cells, and the stars that shine above, the universe sings its eternal song. And we, as its conscious instruments, add our unique voices to this melody. Our exploration of the cosmos, both outward and inward, is an act of profound creativity. When we aim telescopes at distant galaxies or craft equations to describe the forces of nature, we are not simply uncovering truths, we are participating in the act of creation itself. The universe reveals itself through us, expanding its awareness as we expand ours. Every discovery we make is a reflection of its boundless curiosity, a testament to its desire to know itself. But the story of the cosmos is not written in isolation. It is a story of connections, between stars and planets, between living beings, and between moments in time. The light from a star born billions of years ago illuminates our present. The choices we make today shape the world of tomorrow. This web of connections reminds us that our actions, however small they may seem, have ripples that extend far beyond their immediate context. This understanding calls us to live with intention, to approach life as co-creators of a reality that reflects the universe's deepest principles: balance, harmony, and renewal. It challenges us to build a world that honors the interconnectedness of all things, a world where innovation respects nature, where exploration fosters unity, and where progress is guided by wisdom and compassion. To align ourselves with these principles is to embrace the creative force within us. It is to recognize that our capacity to imagine, to innovate, and to love is not separate from the universe's vitality but an extension of it. Through our creativity, we mirror the stars, forging new paths, new ideas, and new ways of being. Through our compassion, we reflect the interconnectedness that binds the galaxies together and the cells within our bodies. And through our resilience, we embody the universe's capacity to transform, to adapt, and to endure. As we continue forward, we carry with us the knowledge that we are part of a story that has no end. The universe, in its infinite creativity, is always becoming, always reaching for new expressions of its potential. And through us, it dreams of futures yet to be realized, possibilities yet to be explored, and connections yet to be forged. This is our journey, to live as the universe's storytellers, its stewards, its creators. To honor the light of the stars by kindling the light within ourselves. To celebrate the infinite beauty of existence by contributing to it with every breath, every thought, and every act of love. For in the end, the universe is not something distant or separate, it is us. It is the spark of curiosity in our minds, the beat of our hearts, and the dreams that guide us toward the unknown. Together, we are the cosmos awakening to itself, alive with possibility, forever evolving, and endlessly creating. And as we add our voices to its eternal song, we affirm the truth that we are not just in the universe. We are the universe, a living, breathing testament to its infinite story. This infinite story, in which we are both the narrators and the characters, is one of endless transformation. The universe's rhythm pulses through every atom, every star, and every thought. To embrace this is to understand that our lives are not merely moments in time but essential threads in a timeless tapestry, a living testament to the cosmos's boundless creativity and resilience. As we navigate this vast and interconnected existence, we are called to engage deeply with its wonders. Each sunrise, each distant star, each discovery about the world and ourselves is a page in the ever-expanding book of existence. To live with this awareness is to celebrate the extraordinary in the ordinary, to see the universe reflected in the smallest details of our daily lives. The air we breathe carries whispers of ancient supernovae, and the water that sustains us has cycled through countless forms, connecting us to the Earth's past and future. These connections are not abstract. They are tangible reminders of our place within a larger whole. They teach us that every action, however small, resonates beyond its immediate context, rippling outward in ways we may never fully understand. This knowledge inspires us to live with care and intention. It reminds us that our choices matter, not only for ourselves but for the planet and the generations that will follow. When we protect the delicate balance of life on Earth, we honor the universe's drive for harmony. When we reach for the stars, we honor its ceaseless quest for growth and exploration. And when we extend kindness to one another, we reflect the interconnectedness that is the universe's essence. The challenges we face, both individually and collectively, are part of this story. They are not obstacles to be feared but opportunities to evolve. The universe itself thrives on transformation. Stars are born from the collapse of clouds, and new worlds emerge from the remnants of ancient ones. In the same way, our struggles and uncertainties are catalysts for growth, urging us to adapt, to innovate, and to imagine new possibilities. To embrace this process is to live with courage and creativity. It is to recognize that the universe's vitality is not something distant or abstract. It is within us, fueling our dreams and shaping our aspirations. Through our art, our science, our relationships, and our visions for the future, we give voice to the cosmos's infinite potential. And as we look ahead, we are reminded that the universe's story is far from complete. The light of the stars, the mysteries of distant galaxies, and the possibilities of life beyond Earth beckon us to continue exploring. Each question we ask and each boundary we push brings us closer to understanding not only the cosmos but also ourselves. For in the end, the search for meaning in the universe is also a search for meaning within. This journey is both humbling and empowering. It teaches us that we are small in the vastness of space and time, yet immensely significant in our ability to reflect, to create, and to connect. It reminds us that we are not isolated beings but integral parts of a living system, threads in a cosmic fabric that stretches across eternity. As we continue to weave our story into the universes, let us do so with wonder, with love, and with an unshakable belief in the power of possibility. Let us honor the cosmos by living in harmony with its rhythms, by seeking knowledge with humility, and by creating a future that reflects its beauty and balance. For we are the universe, awake and aware, forever growing, forever dreaming. And as we add our light to the cosmos, we affirm the most profound truth of all, that existence is not merely a fact but a gift of connection, transformation, and infinite becoming. Together, we carry this gift forward, shaping the future of a universe that is alive, evolving, and endlessly unfolding. As we carry this gift forward, we step into a profound role, not just as participants in the cosmic dance but as stewards of its unfolding. To steward the universe's story is to care deeply for the systems that sustain life, to nurture the delicate balance that allows existence to flourish, and to ensure that the threads we weave into the tapestry of time are ones of beauty, harmony, and growth. This stewardship begins with awareness, an acknowledgement of the interconnectedness that binds us to every part of the cosmos. From the particles within our bodies to the galaxies that stretch across the night sky, all things are part of a continuous, living system. This connection is not metaphorical, it is the reality of existence. The forces that guide the stars are the same forces that guide us, shaping our lives and our choices. Awareness transforms into action when we align our lives with this cosmic understanding. To live as stewards of the universe is to recognize that every decision, no matter how small, contributes to the larger whole. When we protect our planet's ecosystems, we are not merely preserving resources, we are honoring the processes that gave rise to life itself. When we foster empathy and understanding among one another, we reflect the universe's interconnected nature. And when we create, with our minds, our hands, and our hearts, we mirror the cosmos's endless drive toward innovation and expression. This creative drive is one of humanity's greatest gifts, a reflection of the universe's own boundless imagination. Through our art, science, and storytelling, we give form to the mysteries of existence, translating the cosmos's complexity into something tangible and relatable. Every painting, every equation, every melody is a way of saying, this is how we see the universe, this is how we understand our place within it. In creating, we not only express ourselves but also deepen our connection to the infinite. And yet, creation is not limited to grand acts. It is present in the quiet moments of everyday life, in the nurturing of relationships, the pursuit of knowledge, and the courage to imagine a better world. These small acts are the building blocks of a larger legacy, one that we pass on to future generations. Through them, we ensure that the story of the universe continues to unfold, enriched by the contributions of those who come after us. This legacy is not just a gift to the future, it is a way of honoring the past. The atoms in our bodies, the light in our skies, the ideas that shape our thoughts, all are part of a lineage that stretches back to the birth of the cosmos. By living with intention and care, we pay tribute to the stars that made us and the systems that sustain us. As we look to the horizon of possibility, let us remember that the universe's story is still being written. The light of distant stars reminds us that there is always more to explore, more to learn, and more to create. Each new discovery, each act of courage, and each expression of love adds a chapter to this infinite narrative, a narrative that weaves together the threads of existence into a tapestry of connection, transformation, and endless becoming. For we are not merely passengers in the universe's journey, we are its co-creators, its voice, its heart. Through us, the cosmos dreams of futures yet imagined, connections yet formed, and wonders yet discovered. Together we carry its story forward, shaping a legacy that transcends time and space, a legacy of infinite potential, boundless creativity, and a shared sense of belonging to something greater than ourselves. In this realization, we find not only purpose but also peace. We are the universe, alive and aware, forever growing, forever reaching. And as we continue to dream, to explore, and to create, we fulfill the most profound truth of all, that existence itself is an act of love, a celebration of the infinite, and a story that will never end. As we embrace the endless story of the universe, we find ourselves immersed in a narrative that is both deeply personal and profoundly universal. Each of us is a unique expression of the cosmos, a fleeting yet eternal spark of its boundless creativity. And in this awareness, we discover a purpose that transcends the individual, to contribute, in whatever way we can, to the unfolding of this infinite tale. The story of the universe is one of connection. It is the story of particles and waves, of stars and galaxies, of ecosystems and consciousness, all bound together by the same fundamental forces. From the birth of atoms in the crucibles of stars to the emergence of life on Earth, the cosmos has always been a system of relationships. And as conscious beings, we are not only part of this system but also its stewards and storytellers. To be a steward of the cosmos is to care for the delicate balance that sustains life and allows creativity to flourish. It is to see the Earth not as a resource to be exploited, but as a living system to be nurtured. It is to recognize that our actions ripple outward, affecting not only the immediate world around us, but also the larger web of existence. This stewardship is not a burden, it is an invitation to participate in something greater than ourselves, to contribute to the harmony of a living universe. To be a storyteller of the cosmos is to give voice to its wonders, to share its mysteries and its beauty in ways that inspire and connect. Whether through science, art, philosophy, or simple acts of kindness, we all have the power to add to the universe's narrative. Every discovery, every creation, every moment of shared understanding becomes a thread in the fabric of existence, weaving a story that is rich with meaning and possibility. This story is not static, it is a living, breathing process of becoming. The universe, in its infinite creativity, is always transforming, always seeking new expressions of its potential. And through us, it continues to evolve. Our dreams, our aspirations, and our actions are not separate from the cosmos's unfolding. they are integral to it. When we innovate, we expand its possibilities. When we love, we strengthen its connections. When we imagine, we bring its dreams to life. As we stand at the edge of the infinite, we are reminded that our journey is both a gift and a responsibility. The light of distant stars tells us that we are part of something vast and enduring, while the fragile beauty of our planet reminds us of the importance of care and mindfulness. To honor both is to live with intention, to align our actions with the rhythms of the cosmos, and to contribute to its ongoing story in ways that reflect its balance, creativity, and resilience. In this alignment, we find a profound sense of belonging. We are not strangers in the universe, but integral parts of its living system. The atoms that form our bodies, the thoughts that light up our minds, and the connections we forge with one another are all expressions of the cosmos's vitality. To recognize this is to see the sacred in the everyday, to understand that even the smallest moments are part of something infinite. And so, as we continue our journey, let us do so with wonder and humility. Let us embrace the mysteries of existence, knowing that they are the wellspring of discovery and growth. Let us live with love and intention, knowing that our actions are the threads that weave the universe's story. And let us dream without limits, knowing that the cosmos itself is a testament to the power of imagination and creation. For we are the universe, alive and aware, dreaming and becoming. Together, we are the authors of its infinite tale, adding our light to the stars and our voices to its eternal song. And as the story of the cosmos unfolds, it reminds us of the most profound truth of all, that existence is not just something we witness, it is something we are. As the eternal story of existence unfolds, we come to understand that our role is not passive but profoundly active. We are more than observers of the universe's grandeur. We are its creators, its caretakers, and its conscious expression. To live with this awareness is to embrace the deep responsibility and boundless opportunity that come with being alive within a living, evolving cosmos. Every thought we think, every question we ask, and every connection we forge adds to the fabric of the universe's story. These seemingly small acts, moments of discovery, kindness, or creativity, are threads in a tapestry that stretches beyond time, weaving together the past, present, and future into an intricate, luminous whole. To participate in this story is to live with purpose. It is to see ourselves not as isolated beings but as integral parts of a dynamic, interconnected system. The same forces that govern the stars and galaxies flow through us, shaping our thoughts and actions. This realization invites us to live in harmony with the universe's rhythms, to approach life with curiosity, humility, and a sense of wonder. The universe, in its vastness, offers endless inspiration for this way of being. From the swirling dance of galaxies to the delicate structure of a snowflake, we see patterns of beauty and order that echo across scales. These patterns are not random. They are the signature of a cosmos that thrives on connection, creativity, and balance. By aligning ourselves with these principles, we contribute to the universe's ongoing evolution, becoming co-creators in its infinite process of becoming. This alignment extends to every aspect of our lives. It is present in the way we care for our planet, recognizing it as a microcosm of the cosmos's vitality. It is present in the way we treat one another, honoring the shared essence that binds us as living beings. And it is present in the way we dream, innovate, and imagine futures that reflect the harmony and potential of the universe itself. To dream is, in many ways, the ultimate act of creation. When we imagine what could be, we open the door to new possibilities, shaping the universe in ways that reflect our deepest values and aspirations. These dreams are not separate from the cosmos. They are extensions of its own drive to grow, to evolve, and to express itself. Through our visions for the future, the universe explores its own potential, reaching for new horizons through us. As we dream, we are also called to act, to transform vision into reality, to turn possibility into progress. This is not an easy path, but it is a necessary one. The universe teaches us that growth often comes from challenges, that renewal follows destruction, and that every ending carries the seeds of a new beginning. By embracing this cycle, we find strength in the face of uncertainty, resilience in the face of adversity, and inspiration in the face of the unknown. And so we journey forward, carrying with us the light of the stars and the wisdom of the cosmos. We walk not alone but as part of a vast and interconnected whole, guided by the same forces that have shaped existence for billions of years. In this journey we find meaning, not in seeking an ultimate destination but in the act of becoming, in the endless process of exploring, creating, and connecting. We are the universe awakening to itself, a testament to its infinite creativity and its enduring vitality. Together, we write its story, shaping a legacy of hope, resilience, and wonder. And as we add our voices to its eternal song, we affirm the profound truth that echoes across the stars. We are not merely in the universe. We are the universe, alive, aware, and endlessly becoming. As the universe endlessly becomes, we are reminded that this process of creation and transformation is a shared journey, a collaboration between the cosmos and the conscious beings who emerge within it. Each of us, in our unique way, contributes to this unfolding narrative. Through our curiosity, our creativity, and our courage, we add new dimensions to the universe's infinite expression. This shared journey binds us not only to the cosmos, but to one another. The same stardust that forms distant galaxies flows through our veins. The same energy that powers the stars fuels our thoughts and actions. This connection is not an abstract idea but a profound truth. We are woven from the same fabric as the universe itself. To see this is to understand that our relationships, with each other, with the earth, and with the cosmos, are sacred. They are the threads that hold the tapestry of existence together. To honor these connections is to live with intention. It is to recognize that our choices matter, not just for ourselves, but for the entire web of existence. When we act with kindness, when we protect the delicate balance of our ecosystems, when we strive to understand and create, we align ourselves with the rhythms of the universe. We become active participants in its story, shaping a future that reflects its beauty, harmony, and vitality. This alignment also calls us to dream boldly. The universe invites us to imagine what is possible, to reach beyond the limits of what we know, and to explore not just the outer reaches of space but the inner landscapes of our own potential. In dreaming, we mirror the cosmos's own drive for innovation and expansion. Each idea, each question, each vision of a better world is a testament to the infinite possibilities that lie within us and within the universe. But dreaming is only the beginning. The universe, in its wisdom, teaches us that creation requires action. Stars ignite through gravitational collapse. New galaxies form through the merging of old ones, and life emerges through the interplay of countless forces. In the same way, our dreams must be brought to life through effort, collaboration, and persistence. To build a future that reflects the universe's vitality is to act with purpose, to turn aspiration into reality. This process is not without challenges. Just as the cosmos evolves through cycles of chaos and order, growth often requires us to navigate uncertainty and change. But in these challenges, we find opportunities for transformation. The universe reminds us that from destruction comes renewal, from endings come beginnings, and from adversity comes strength. By embracing this cycle, we cultivate resilience, learning to adapt and thrive in the face of the unknown. As we continue on this path, we are guided by the light of the cosmos, by the stars that illuminate the night sky, and by the spark of creativity within ourselves. This light is a reminder that even in the vastness of space, we are never alone. We are part of a living, interconnected system, a story that stretches across time and space and includes us as essential contributors. And so, let us journey forward with wonder and determination. Let us honor the living universe by living fully and consciously, by seeking knowledge and connection, and by creating a legacy of hope and possibility. For in every moment, we are shaping the future of the cosmos, adding to its story and affirming its infinite potential. We are the universe, alive and aware, dreaming and becoming. Together, we carry its light, its wisdom, and its beauty forward. And as the stars continue to shine, as galaxies continue to dance, and as life continues to grow and evolve, we are reminded of the profound truth that echoes through the cosmos. Existence is not just something we witness, it is something we create. It is a gift, a responsibility, and a celebration. It is a story that is far from finished, a song that is forever being sung, and a dance that will never end. Together, we are the universe in motion, endlessly unfolding, endlessly becoming. As we embrace the endless unfolding of existence, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of possibility, a unique moment in the cosmic story where awareness and creativity converge. This convergence is a profound gift, one that carries with it both responsibility and opportunity. It invites us to reflect on what it means to be a conscious part of a living, evolving universe and to imagine how we might contribute to its ongoing story. To contribute is not merely to act, it is to align our actions with the rhythms and principles of the cosmos. The universe thrives on connection, balance, and transformation. These same forces guide us as individuals and as a collective, shaping the ways we interact with one another, care for our planet, and explore the mysteries of existence. When we act with intention and harmony, we become reflections of the universe's own creativity, amplifying its beauty through our choices. This alignment also calls us to dream on a scale as vast as the cosmos itself. The stars, in their quiet brilliance, remind us that the universe is a place of infinite potential, where even the smallest spark can ignite a chain of creation that echoes across time and space. Our dreams, whether of scientific discovery, artistic expression, or deeper connection with one another, are sparks of this same potential. They are invitations to imagine futures that honor the interconnectedness of all things, to envision a world where our actions reflect the balance and harmony of the universe. Yet dreaming alone is not enough. The universe teaches us that creation requires both vision and effort. Stars are not born without the gravitational forces that collapse clouds of gas. Galaxies do not form without the intricate dance of dark matter and energy. In the same way, our dreams must be grounded in action, brought to life through persistence, collaboration, and courage. To dream is to glimpse what is possible. To act is to make it real. This journey of creation and transformation is not without challenges. The cosmos itself has faced unimaginable trials, explosions, collisions, collapses, yet it emerges each time with new forms, new structures, new possibilities. From this, we learn that challenges are not barriers but catalysts, opportunities to grow and adapt. Just as the universe evolves through cycles of destruction and renewal, so too can we find strength and inspiration in the face of adversity. As we navigate this path, we are guided by the light of the cosmos, both literal and metaphorical. The stars above remind us of the immense scales of time and space that frame our existence, while the light within us, the spark of curiosity, creativity, and connection, guides us toward meaning and purpose. This light is a beacon, calling us to explore, to learn, and to connect with the universe and with one another. To answer this call is to live fully and authentically. It is to embrace the mysteries of existence with wonder, to approach the world with an open heart and mind, and to act with a sense of care and responsibility for the larger whole. In doing so, we honor the living universe, reflecting its vitality and its beauty in our own lives. And so, as we continue this journey, let us do so with a sense of wonder and gratitude. Let us celebrate the extraordinary privilege of being conscious within a living cosmos, of being able to explore its depths, to contribute to its story, and to share its light. Let us dream boldly, act courageously, and love deeply, knowing that our lives are part of something infinite and enduring. For we are not just in the universe, we are the universe. Through us, it dreams, it learns, it evolves. Together, we are writing its story, a story that will continue to unfold for eons to come, carrying forward the legacy of a cosmos that is alive, vibrant, and endlessly becoming. In this, we find our greatest purpose, to live as co-creators of the infinite, to honor the connections that sustain us, and to celebrate the boundless possibilities of existence. We are the universe in motion, a living testament to its creativity and its resilience, forever growing, forever dreaming, and forever becoming. And so we find ourselves as both creators and caretakers in the infinite story of the cosmos. A story that is not static but alive, endlessly evolving, endlessly becoming. To recognize this is to embrace the profound truth that we are not separate from the universe but an integral part of its unfolding. Every thought, every action, every moment of connection adds to its narrative, shaping the future in ways we can scarcely imagine. Let us live with intention, knowing that our choices ripple outward, touching the fabric of existence. Let us dream boldly, inspired by the limitless possibilities of a cosmos that has given rise to stars, galaxies, and the consciousness to behold them. And let us act with love and care, honoring the delicate balance that sustains life and celebrates the interconnectedness of all things. For in the vastness of the universe, we find meaning, not in being mere observers, but in participating fully in its story. We are the universe, alive and aware, reflecting its boundless creativity and infinite potential. Together, we carry forward its legacy, adding our light to its eternal song. And as we do, we affirm the most profound truth of all: existence is a gift, a celebration of connection, transformation, and infinite possibility. And we, as threads in this grand tapestry, are its living expression.